How to enable purchase sharing on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the Family section located at the top of the Settings page. Here, you can see your family group and manage shared services like subscriptions and location. To stop sharing, locate and tap on Purchase Sharing to continue. A new screen will appear explaining the benefits of family purchase sharing, such as a shared payment method and purchase control. Tap on Continue. To enable this feature, you must have an eligible payment method linked to your account. Tap on Add Payment Method to add one. Finally, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details, such as a credit or debit card or PayPal. Once added, tap on Done at the top right corner and purchase sharing will be enabled for your family group. Following these steps, you can easily enable purchase sharing on an iPhone.